In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Pocket Option Affiliate Program, Beginner's Guide. First, open your web browser and search for Pocket Option Affiliate. From the results, look for the official Pocket Partners website. It should be at pocketpartners.com and display a secure connection with a padlock in the address bar. This helps ensure you're on the legitimate sign-up page and not a lookalike. Once you're on the site, find and select the option that says Become a Partner. This takes you to the registration form for the Pocket Option Affiliate Program. If the site opens in a different language, switch to English in the menu so the fields and agreement are easy to understand. On the registration form, enter your email address. Use an email you check regularly since important notifications, performance reports, and account security messages will arrive there. For smoother account management, it can help to use a dedicated work or affiliate email rather than a personal inbox. Next, create a password for your affiliate account. Choose something strong and unique, ideally at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other services and consider storing it in a trusted password manager so you don't lose access later. Before continuing, you'll see a checkbox stating that you have read and accepted the affiliate agreement. Take a moment to open the agreement and skim the essentials, such as payout terms, traffic policies, and any restrictions on promotion methods. Understanding these rules upfront will help you avoid compliance issues and keep your commissions safe. Now, complete the I'm not a robot verification. This may be a simple checkbox or a short image challenge. If it doesn't load immediately, refresh the page or try again after a moment. Sometimes browsers block the widget temporarily. With everything filled out and confirmed, click Sign Up. The site will process your details and create your affiliate account. After sign up, watch for any on-screen prompts. Some programs ask you to confirm your email or provide additional profile information before unlocking your dashboard. Just follow the instructions shown on the page. That's it. You've learned how to find the Pocket Partners site, open the Become a Partner page, enter your email and password, accept the agreement, pass the verification, and submit your registration. Keep your login details secure, and when you access your dashboard, take a few minutes to review your tracking links and reporting tools so you're ready to start promoting responsibly.